Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRB. Recently on a daily time frame chart, TRB has broken out this quite long down channel, but after the breakout, the price line could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $144 and goes to $165. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that previously this resistance on worked as a very strong resistance here back in the month of May 2021. And after that, we had a very big drop after getting rejected by this resistance zone. And during this rally, you can see that once we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, we had a very powerful rally. And during this rally, the price line for a while broke out this resistance on here, but while retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone, the price line failed in saving this level as a support and dropped down. And recently, it has bounced very well from this long-term support of $46 that had been previously breaking at the resistance here. And for almost 2 weeks, it worked as a support here and resistance here as well. And now again, it worked as a very nice support. And at the same time, the price line is also bounced from the support of this Ichimoku cloud as well. And now recently, it has broken out this channel and trying to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $144 and goes to $165. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared a few days ago on 4th of May 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared with my members on 4th of May 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that TRB formed with US dollar pair on a 1 hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was, by the way, quite big and massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TRB. And this is the daily time frame chart, not this one. This one is a daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. Now, recently, we have broken out the resistance here on 5th of May 2024. But after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price line is not able to break out this resistance. And this is the 4th day that we are moving at this resistance. That is a complete resistance on starting from $144 and goes to $165. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance on. And the technical target for this breakout is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $202 or $200. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it was moving inside this very big and long term and wide falling wedge pattern. And when it was moving inside this wedge, and it was quite squeezed inside this wedge, in those days I shared a lot of videos with you, several videos with you. And I told you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive and long-term rally to the upside. And the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at between $165 to $170. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target up to $626 from here. From this low of $7.46 to $626. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 8,294%. And now recently we have broken out this channel, and we will need to now break out this long-term resistance on in order to continue this rally. And after breaking out this channel, I'm expecting that soon it can break out this resistance on. And once it will be able to break out this long-term resistance on, then it will be flipped into a long-term support zone. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.